Welcome to this Spring Lock animation test. Today we're going to show off our brand new plans for one of the Spring Lock suits. We're going to make more of these animations, but for today, it's only for the head. So to start off, how does a Spring Lock even work? It's pretty basic. Just look at this small animation of the mechanics of the Spring Lock, and maybe you will already start to understand the mechanics. As you can see, obviously there's a spring, a crank, and this metal piece that's keeping the whole Spring Lock together. For now the Spring Lock is coiled, but when this small piece gets triggered, it sets the very strong spring off. And now the Spring Lock is basically in animatronic mode. To coil the Spring Lock, use the already attached crank. We're going to use more advanced and safer Spring Locks for this project, since we want to avoid any Spring Lock failures as described in the Five Nights at Freddy's lore. Yes, the Spring Locks are safer, but you still need to be extremely careful and try to avoid any physical contact with the Spring Locks. Now to the actual head. This is Spring Bonnie's finished head. Our Spring Bonnie head is almost finished and ready for the Spring Locks and animatronic parts. As you can see, there's a big metal piece surrounding the jaw. The Spring Locks are going to be attached to that piece. There are going to be more Spring Locks in Spring Bonnie's head, but for now we're using these two Spring Locks for a good example. Your head is going to be in that area. As you can see, when the Spring Lock sets off, it will go right into your neck area. That's very dangerous. No one is going to die. Hopefully.